luck to everybody joining this morning. Even though it's a very windy day, it's a very cloudy day, but even though it's like that, our heart is willing to come to work. Our heart is there to welcome each other.
Yeah.
Never eat and show your head down.
Yeah.
Up in the stair and calling, come and have breakfast.
Dinner
That's
salad.
how we are.
Yeah.
Never go alone and keep silent. Say
Yeah.
good morning to the one who you close to.
Good
And the
morning.
one you close to,
Yeah.
never put in yourself when somebody talk like that you, it needs you. No,
Yeah.
kasi ni wende.
Yeah.
Kwe kawitaki ko kinta bakiko.
Kwe kawitaki.
Because kwe kawitaki.
It's not because of the lava.
Yeah.
Not because of you swallow your saliva.
Yeah.
When you think, oh, this one must be something inside her.
Yeah.
No.
Inside him.
Yeah.
No, that's
The way.
the purpose and the way of everything in the morning, eh?
Ah.
Todo ba nakada na kami na sama sama mata ka day na bito ng sala bi kami na rongo bole man biasa burbura.
Yes.
Niyan rin mata bina. We say good morning to all the students tuning in this morning.
Whoa.
And on the Korean LC 588. Kita kan dosa macam mana mata ni kuwa and bula binaka. Students in the bus, say in the minivan, going to school, in daddy's car, mommy's car. Niyan rin mata bina rongo ni pagani bina kada dosa sige bina kadi buli kuwa. The most important thing we can rongo we have to listen to your teachers, eh?
Yes.
Mo parongo e korni buli.
Truth.
Balata e nage kasiki na biki anda se biki muni. Na bika iso e ngandrebi. Be pa buli biki muni. If you don't listen to your teachers,
Yes.
it will be hard for you to understand
Oh.
what they were trying to, to teach you.
Yeah.
Right.
And every subject they na buli de korni buli. And I see no binang kuwa.
It will take time.
Yeah.
So please, students,
Yeah.
you listen
Yeah.
to every steps,
Hey,
eh?
Dems.
My.
Some was saying this morning.
Yeah.
He's study his plantation in Narambale.
Yeah.
250.
250.
Yeah.
Start the plantation 250.
Yeah.
So let it big.
Yeah.
Then start again.
Oh, mga betoso.
Toso, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Easy to me roroning garabi.
Easy.
To garabi.
Right.
It's about planning, eh?
Yeah.
You listen good, then you plan good, then the thing will grow good.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
One.
So nada ni koro sera na wanga yan rabina kasera yang baki milne adelevu.
Yeah.
And also to hea masi. Tu ngone ni siteti be kemi ni boy.
Yeah.
Kodi tuai net ke na bubalen do sema buli mengo final exam.
Gori.
Semester 1 USP ngo. Pamibitigo all the best to Waisele tuai buniwanga.
Right.
For the study break. To all the USP student, the FNU student,
Yeah.
the tertiary student, the every student joining this morning.
Hey, 12 good morning. Yo.
He said, "Mulum na all the staff of Airports Fiji in
Oh.
Nandi, all the workers in the airport, and the hotel di Bulang Sarbono. We say good morning to you. Thank you so much for tuning this morning, as well as the Bulang Sarbono, the visitors from
Yes.
overseas.
Gori.
Tuning in this morning, we say, Pula Binaka.
Oh, Mbula. Well, good morning to the Rossi from Naitasiri.
Yeah.
Maramatavata.
Oh.
Rosena Lemba Bola.
Oh, I thought
Yeah.
for the Rosi from Nitasiri.
Oh.
And
Namanya Jim,
Yeah.
iyan na number secondary school, Jim and Django.
Yeah.
My all say in my bulo bimelang bahasa Pramendra Singh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
President Plaza Samambula.
Ano ba na kasi?
Stay safe and God bless. Sunbeam Bus.
Ano ba na to all the passengers of Sunbeam Bus, Suba to Lautoka, to the driver and all the passengers tuning in this morning. Sama cukup pada tahun ini nanti Salome nama Nayang and Bakar Tabisinga.
What's wrong with you, Asafagus?
Isa ide besukan patang-patang.
Iya.
Patang-patang kita ngocik tuntuang gue.
Oh, right.
Iya, nah.
Alam niya tukuna bituan nangonon sa when the mother tinaicho ni salako.
Iya.
Sa gay banggo tua. Iya, ngo elala tukuna bale utukun tonto bulingango. Sa
Iya.
gay sa umuke muni bitua.
Iya.
Oni na kita tinggo rano muni na buto tinggo.
Biasa kan na kangaya to na singa bita di singa saud
Right.
singa holiday. Libunan patang-patang.
Ngori.
Kira bika so dala kita ngata tu sama iba pikir ngoni cilo yo. Kita bobotin na tok so tira kita kari na mo tadi. Okay. I want to ask you this question.
Come.
How many body texts are there in the world? Okay, dan dui. So tali tak berlumlo si tali tak nawiway.
Iya.
Baka mi ulumu. Baka ese na butong.
Iya.
Kau
Oh.
lumu enak. O sinto ba lotion?
Oh.
Lotion na tabori.
Sinu-sinu.
Vaseline.
No coconut oil.
Kau kuna dol siya nga.
Oh.
Kan tu se sindu.
Okay, and you tabale?
Myself, Nivea.
You like the Nivea?
I like the Nivea and I like the Vaseline.
Vaseline.
Oh, sa sento ani.
If you put the Vaseline, you know, if you put the Vaseline in your face,
Iyo.
Oh, you look very good. You look very young.
Very young, yeah?
Yes.
You?
Myself, no, I don't. Developer nandang Myself, no.
Yeah.
I don't use the oil or anything.
Oi.
I just leave it for
Kita tutup.
yeah.
No,
Because
maybe my tapal is different. My tapal is like a pussycat.
Tell us about your
Iyo.
tamale.
Tapal don't use the oil or something.
Iyo.
He just use the tongue. Like
Okay.
a pussycat.
Right. He's the para.
Ito ba?
Use the para mesisi.
Kim ka kim ro ka taumbe.
Yeah.
Elok pa ka tabi kim raw?
Necklace.
Iyo.
Myself only the watch.
Yeah, ada body text saya.
Iya.
Okay, what's wrong with his hand? Please tell us.
The wrong is his hand
Yeah.
because he used the
Wrong method.
not the wrong method, the right method in
Yeah.
different form.
Different from like what?
Because this one use oil. Use Nivea,
Yeah.
use Vaseline.
Yeah.
That's where
Gasoline.
Gasoline very bad.
You know
Yeah.
tapal eh? When I put on the watch.
You mix up Vaseline, the gasoline.
Yeah.
It will form
So,
gasoline.
what's wrong? What's wrong with your
Yeah,
hand?
when I put on the watch,
Iyo.
I can feel my breath is
It's-
not good.
Huh?
My breath.
Eh, apa?
Like it's something I can make my breath not good. Flow.
yeah.
Oi.
Here.
When you wear something on your hand.
No, if I wear the clock.
Clock.
The watch.
Iyo. Then use the wall clock.
Walk.
Yan mo ka long city sa wana. Nabas ini solo biro ngoli tahun ini nanti. Kalau kau sudah betul, okay, we are I'm asking the two boys from
So there's a
Honolulu
text, eh?
to tell us this morning how many body texts are there in the world, Mai?
Yeah. The body text,
Iyo.
there are so many body text. Another mo.
Apply the welly.
You know,
Yeah.
I miss this one. Mati Diwa.
Mati Diwa,
Good morning this morning.
Yeah.
You know, if Taman Relebu is here,
Iyo.
Mikel Ngalombula,
Right.
he got a text from Lolombo.
Oi.
That's why
Iyo.
he never here this morning. We went for the Kati on this day.
Right.
He wants to match the Babat. No, can.
Right. Melolo
Now,
Yeah.
now,
Style ba?
yes.
Yeah.
His wasu, the tunutoka his head, na uluna.
Jeda timbi.
Iyo.
It's his birthday yesterday.
Iyo.
Oi.
Oi.
I call
Hey, happy belated birthday, my tao.
yeah, to Jeda Timbu. I call Jeda Timbu.
Iyo.
We leave the Texas.
Yeah.
We are now to the birthday.
Iyo.
Yeah.
We went to Jeda Timbu.
Right.
Call Jeda Timbu. To, where are you at?
Iyo.
Can you please go one job here?
Iyo.
I want to surprise Jeda Timbu.
Okay, kuka.
Iyo.
Kasih
Iyo.
kuka.
Yeah, I want to surprise him, eh?
Iyo.
To Jeda Timbu. I call Jeda Timbu. I have one job here. I want to go to Zolisuba.
So make a new. Then.
No, this is not Ramika.
Ah.
We go to the Jeda Timbu. I call Jeda Timbu.
Oi, okay.
Oi.
Can you please come home one job to Zolisuba?
Yeah.
I want to surprise him.
Oi.
I want to surprise him.
Right.
The cake,
Iyo.
the grog,
Oi.
everything, eh?
Right.
I want to surprise Jeda Timbu.
Na boleh
Sabi na
So
yan.
I call Jeda Timbu.
Yeah.
Tabata, can you please one job here to Zolisuba?
Yeah.
To let him come to my place so that
Lolombo.
in Lolombo. If
Yeah.
I said one surprise, he will never come.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Job.
When he reached home,
Yeah.
I was like this. The birthday is here, the cake.
Iyo.
But
Iyo.
I can't be alone. We have to go to Vasu.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Michele.
Okay, Mika knows that yesterday was his
Birthday.
birthday.
Michele sent into our messenger. The group. He sent to our group.
I understand. No,
Iyo.
it's-
He sent to our group
Iyo.
that his birthday. That's why I know it's our Tabata's birthday.
Right.
Iyo.
Mika knows it.
Yeah,
And then what happened next?
Then after that, we are about to celebrate.
Yeah.
We are about to celebrate.
Hey, and these two are we are the gang, eh? The gang.
Yeah.
And Tamaralebu and Tabata is very close, eh?
When we about to celebrate,
Yeah.
Tabata was like this. Sisa,
Yeah.
I think of my boss. We have to, because we are squad, eh? None of us. Can't value the none of us. You need the music squad.
So we went to
We went to Kuka,
yeah, mix please.
Mika's place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we went to Kuka, all the van, all the transport
Yeah.
can go there, can reverse in any.
Yeah. Tell you
You have to
Yeah,
go
because
past the
small.
house
Yeah.
and reverse from the runabout.
Yeah.
We go to the runabout. When we
Yeah.
go to the runabout,
Yeah.
we pass the house.
Yeah.
the house was still open.
Iya.
When we pass,
Iya.
we come back, the house is closed.
The door.
Yeah, that door. That door is closed.
Okay, how about the gate? Open or close?
Close. Lock.
Oh, before you two go.
A padlock. Lock the gate. Lock the house.
Yeah.
The door.
Yeah.
On the nakona lati-lati.
Yeah.
When we see like this lati-lati, the curtain.
Yeah.
One gap like this.
Yeah.
Waka mengai biya tangin ato.
Uh.
Ni biya tangin ato ko bango ngor ne no ni ding ngor wala. And we feel that bakila to ne ding bango isa turango re lako erere.
So, I can also...
Maya wanda house na buta.
Yeah, and sometimes you call Tine Faustina.
Same time I call Tine
You want to
Faustina.
check?
I want to check.
Yeah.
Tine Faustina, taman ra lewo, tamay Faustina.
Yeah.
The father, he there at home. We here at the walking. Tuno kau tu kau muna laka. Oh, taman ra lewo in the house. Wata baletico. Au sabang ko sangka into dito boleh. Nindo tulo to kangor na ulungku. The head is there, and the tail is gone. And I was...
You took one pass.
We went past, the door was open.
Was open.
Was open. When you come back,
Yeah.
the door is closed.
Yeah.
Nobody, the gate lock. The flip-flop, one on the doorstep.
Yeah.
One, I don't know where. We went inside and I was like this. Jay, that timbu.
Yeah.
I know something there with you.
Yeah.
There with you. Sangkay pamadal tako ko na dana.
Oi.
Na Jay, that timbu.
Iyo.
The Jay, that's why I think Michael is afraid of the basu.
Oh.
Oi.
Yeah, because you know it's a birthday.
Yeah.
When we are birthday, we celebrate birthday. Everything will be bigger. In the
Right.
Marutaka, because
Yeah.
sometimes we went for a funeral.
Yeah.
We want to happy there, but it's gone.
Yeah.
Now we have to celebrate for a new life,
Iyo.
and not a new life.
Yeah.
It's a bloodline life.
Iya.
Vasu, to maintain link to the family
Those
in
are
on.
to go make a galumbola. Truly, he came yesterday.
Yes.
Truly,
Eh.
truly. The evidence is there. We have got a photo.
See,
Okay,
right
do you have evidence there with you?
The J, the Timbu.
Yeah.
J is coming from the word Ja.
Oh, okay.
Oh, ja.
That people will hate him because of the grogging.
Iyo.
Mbiu,
Yeah.
after the grogging,
Yeah.
you leave him.
Yeah.
Like this, in this morning,
Yeah.
no come to work.
Yeah.
I was like this, Lisa. Tamni raudala na biokani na materitunga na tobata.
Yeah.
And alabasu
Yeah.
is one
So the Messi,
Yeah.
you win by point.
I'm not win by point. What I'm worrying,
You win on
musibiyaw.
a technical ground.
Musibiyaw.
Yeah.
Mbaleta niyo wasu.
Yeah.
No ni sinisudo eh. And then tulu saranga me na tio kina.
And the gang was there, the bone, eh?
From
Yeah, I'm from my heart. No, because I was squad, but I don't know what was happening.
Okay.
But we want to say good morning to Tamandale from Kuka
Yeah.
in Nandawa and the
But
family.
he's a belter. Ako yung ko na tambe ng belly.
Hey, he is a heavyweight. He is a heavyweight. We know him.
Yeah,
He is
yeah.
a heavyweight. But yesterday,
Yeah.
I want to like this. On behalf of us,
Yeah.
Michele and myself,
Yeah.
I take one grog. Uba takauntunayan ko na ni Bibusut.
Gori.
Ano buku imika?
Ano buku
Okay,
imika.
binabawali mo sar na lumotua Dems.
Isa.
Binabawali mo sar. So, Jay dati mo sa Lingoma.
Sa
On
lingoma
behalf of
to, tutuno to, ngor na nunggu basu,
Yeah.
au na lingoma. I love him.
All right.
I miss him.
Wala na. Okay. Kung ano din ka Jay dati Biu. Happy belated once again. Happy belated birthday from your friends here.
And bis nandrungi balu.
Iyo.
Was there at ngari.
Iyo.
He invite teman relevu. But they orang kayak gitu tata kaya ngom may kuka.
Eh.
Oh. Binabalik sa Rajay dati Biu and Mikael Ngalawa. And everybody joining this morning, we love you all. Thank you, Punjas. We love you too.
Yeah.
Celebrating.
Of course, we love
90
Yeah,
years.
90 years.
na italonongan ni rotondo win butur lagi juga lango. Iya, nabi bola-bola.
Hui. Dulu kali bukan balik. Deme sih. Nung ko ipasya sin dulu katumba.
Ento
Ako ilu semua sa lorong ko.
baka nga nanong sungot na katumba.
Selalu tu raketen.
Right.
Ditentol tentu nosongo tu na idengu.
You know,
Mani te ko lew.
Monro ka kuanga ni liwa po kemana rana.
pasar nga na ni Rulen ka uang ko to, lenga walang iki.
Iyo.
Nindaru sapas, nindaru apas, kendaru akelengan taru.
Iyo. Rau kelang
Surprise!
surprise.
Tamay Faustino ko ndo ngara puna itu kini tumba. Santa ko na lori pas.
Kan doa, ni lori ko kila ile bu, eta buti tuna na papelet ni wesinga.
Okay.
Itu kuni.
Iya.
Itu kuni basul bato ko toko lu sigileti.
Iya.
Redi ke mun di sapas.
Asun bato. Lu tutungan kama-kama. Kona lokal ni lokal ya bu? Saya apa lah tuh?
Kembali terus ke nonton sana.
Iya.
Siapa lu tukang loka?
Oh, kita salah meten nggo 235 ke mundo 231.
Oh, wana na.
Lain ni bata, ngudi salah bata. Emi. Lei.
Ya senang udah kita nabi wakani nonton buron di taka itu nonton tubur tapi wakani bukan penua. Nah, bika boyan tuh ya tuh.
Gori.
Ya nonton ikor di taka, tapi bida pali pola-pola. Me atu tuh lebih sepulta ke me ikut itu kan kami jadi pinggir nabi.
Iyo.
Kena bisi nagianggo. Pasar singanggo na mato sauci. Ataka nakachi me lolompo ini style ba. Kalau ini tuh nona ke kando sam. Esen rong usah sih kata lagi ka.
Taman nila kalibu. Taman nila kalibu.
Ese ka mo dun dulok ke gua loka.
Hindi na kalalaman rota ka. Ito mo ko, tanakemuyalo ka. Kasi ka nakemuyalo ka, niumbito tunelo ko sa alako.
Siya ka nilaga.
Gali ada tumba. Gali ada tumba. Rosang gali kilatu, nindu en ron ono nito ka ni kokoten leps dito nga.
Iyo.
Osa mo endara tundo na peni baba, ando na peni baba ni leps dito nga. Sinto ni kiloba, na kokon na bukan ni alona. Ando na Filip-Lop, ando na Kenwes.
Usah tuh tuh maninro mila kumanta ka pamalua.
Oyo, pita tawaki, o tawata.
Oh, tahu.
Beri.
Yang ada pernah kisah
Main
main
Ngilandi.
Princess Rongo. Na 6 miles tadi rua. Sama lo. Bo saya tuh nang kira-kira ko ning kira-kira tuh nang misal belum. Ya kubur sa ngutu hotel lo ka.
Kubu!
Sekali. Oye, usalay.
Be careful next time, man.
Usalay pasamtaka. Misa tukun nga bibili miling ganga. Ese ka doon ticket heli sa uma. Kalibang raken halo ka dali.
Ito jo bilay lingga ka barang bola iro tin lirongo. Sa malo bali. Kito sada ba? Kung ini binakar mo di bengkarabi. Ikenta.
Pero tu daro, tu ramo dem tabi tapalan ko, siya may ilutok ka. O asa yung libawang ka na ang kapulaw.
Bis.
Iya.
Right.
Dawal usar ka
Kami naka.
sini kuah.
God bless.
Turun ka tani ko
Hamar Demes. Kay siya ta ka like ta ka hatta ka tunon ta